Hi everybody, this is Christine. Welcome to Scrappin' Rabbit. I just finished working on a new tutorial that's available in my Etsy shop. It's on how to make these fabric covered junk journals, but they're not like regular journals. They incorporate some aspects of scrapbook mini albums with 7 interactive removable inserts, and they're made for both journaling and storing photos and memorabilia. In the tutorial, I show you how to make the fabric covers, as well as each of the 7 inserts, plus a plastic sleeve and a mini notepad. As with the other tutorials in my shop, this one comes with written instructions and lots of photos, and links to videos where I show how to make the actual journals and the inserts from scratch. I like having written instructions, that way you don't need to keep referring back to a video as you're working on your project. And once you've seen a video, you can simply refer back to the written instructions the next time you make a journal, or if you forget how to do a certain step. It's a lot easier than going back and forth through the videos. Now these are the demo journals I refer to in the tutorial, and these are the actual journals that I make in the videos. I use travel themed papers for the demo journals and beautiful all occasion papers in my tutorial journals, but use whichever papers you have. I like using fabric on the covers, especially this upholstery fabric. It makes the journals very durable. The inserts are bound inside the journal with elastics. It's a very popular method of binding journals, especially traveler's journals that you bring around with you. So I show you how to make these in 2 different ways. One with the elastic visible outside the cover, or hidden inside the cover. Now each journal can hold up to 4 inserts, as well as a plastic sleeve and a notepad, and I show you how to make a cover that accommodates up to 6 inserts. Here's a short clip on a 6 insert journal I made. This is what the 6 insert journal looks like. I put a little flower on there to cover up the elastics, and I really packed this one, so there's tons of room in here, lots of journaling pages, so you can make either the 4 insert or the 6 insert. I'll show you in this journal how the inserts fit inside. So here are 4 of the 7 inserts, and I've got my elastic bands going down the inside, so I just slide the insert under the elastic band, and that's going to hold them in place. Now here I have some loose pages in my insert, so I'm going to put those underneath the elastic band as well. Like that. And then this one will fit on the 3rd elastic, and you can place them wherever you like in your journal. And finally, here's the last one for this journal, and it goes at the end like that. So the elastics hold everything in place, and it's great because you can remove these and carry them with you if you like. So I'll show you each of the removable inserts, and I'll use my demo journals. I'll start with this one. So this is a plastic sleeve that I mentioned, and I've got that little notepad on the inside, and the first one is just a basic notebook that you can use for journaling, and the pages are stitched inside the middle. There's a pocket at the front and the back. The second one is this multi-pocket and flaps insert, and I've got 3 pockets on the front. I just inserted some little tags in there, and then I've got 2 pockets on the back, and then in the middle it's 2 flaps that open, and they're held closed with magnets. So this is how the inserts come out. They just slide out from underneath the elastics. So you can take these with you, especially if you're making a traveler's journal. You can make a bunch of these little inserts and bring them with you and then store them back in your cover when you're done. Here's another insert, and this has a little strap that holds these accordion pages closed, and you could put a photo here, a bunch of little photos on here. And this is held closed with a magnet. I've got some pages that I put in the middle, so you can use whatever paper you want, and there's a pocket on the back. So this is one insert. Another insert is this folder style. It's a large expandable envelope on the front. So there's room for memorabilia in there. Then here I have another pocket on the back cover of the insert. And now I'll show you the next journal with the inserts. Again, I have a sleeve and a little notepad in here, and I also have one of these little journaling books. But here's the next insert, and this is a folder style with pockets, and these expand so you can put stuff in here, and then you've got your pages in the middle that you can insert, and these would go just underneath the elastic. So I have a calendar here for 2018. You could put individual monthly pages if you wanted to make this into a planner, or just have one section of your journal that's a planner. Next insert is a double pocket insert or double envelope, and I've got an envelope on the front, and then I've got some pages that I attached in the middle, or if you don't want to stitch them, you can always just slide them under the elastic when you put your insert in the cover again. And then on the back I have another pocket that opens this way, and you can put memorabilia in there. Now the last insert is a waterfall insert. So I've got a little tab with a magnet here, and I've got also some little tags in the pockets, but in the center I've got two waterfalls, here and here, and then in between I put some extra pages. So again, you just use whatever paper you want, and you can either stitch these in if you like, or just slide them under the elastic like I did on this one. So I'll include a link to my tutorial in my Etsy shop if you want to give it a try. Journals are so much fun to make and use. Combining journaling and scrapbooking is a great way to store your thoughts and memorabilia all in one place. Have a great day and happy scrapping. Bye.